Okay guys, mabuhay! Maligayang pagawin sa aking YouTube channel. It's all over the papers, it's all over internet, social media, na yes, pinupush nga ng Actor.ph headed by Mr. Dingdong Dantes na maging national artist. Ang star for all seasons, Vilma Santos. Of course, kanina nagkaroon ng press con at pinakita nga ang iba't ibang achievement ni Ate V bilang artista. At actually, hindi lang bilang artista, syempre, bilang bilang public servant. Of course, napakaraming awards na hindi na mabilang talaga. At hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa abroad din. At syempre, suportado si Ate V ng mga kapwa niya artista. Like, for example, yan, si Tirso Cruz III na humabol talaga kasi hodang galing siya magpa-check up. And then, of course, may mensahe rin sina Alden Richards, and ayan, kasama ni Dingdong din yung mga ibang grupo, yung mga mare-pare na nag-i-endorse din for Ate V na maging national artist din. And of course, Charo Santos Concha na babasahin ni Dingdong ang mensahe. At syempre sa latter part ng video na ito ay ang pasasalamat ni Ate V dahil chinat ko nga siya at nag-reply agad siya. Out of the country siya, pero hintayin nyo ang kanyang mensahe nasa dulo ng video ito. So bonggang-bongga. But anyways, eto nga ang kaganapan na yon. So, panoorin na lang natin para mas bonggang-bongga.
I fully support Actor's nomination for the Star for All Seasons, Vilma Santos, for National Artist. Her extraordinary depiction of remarkable characters in films such as Anak, Dekada 70, Bata-Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa, everything about her, and many others have brought upliftment, learning and joy to viewers of all ages. She has been an inspiration to many Filipino artists, including me, and I hope her artistry will be appreciated by generations to come. From Charo Santos Concho. And on that note,
Santos, of course, for her nomination sa National Artist Award for Film and Broadcast Artist. Good luck po and please support her.
Ayan, short and sweet. Up next, we would like to have the video message of Mr. Baron Geisler.
Hello, this is Baron Geisler, an actor and an ardent supporter of Mommy V, our star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos. I just want to express my sincere support to her nomination as National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts, a long overdue honor that should have been given to her for her exemplary body of work in the Philippine cinema and her contributions to the industry in the most professional manner. Good luck, Mommy V. I love you.
Okay, now let's hear it from Miss Julian San Jose and Mr. River Cruz.
Hi everybody, this is Julian San Jose.
River Cruz po.
At support the company namin as a national artist. Since so very happy sa lahat ng mga
Mare-Pare, Metro Manila Association of Retired and Retiring Educators na binuo po ng PARE, Philippine Alliance of Retired Educators Incorporated, na binubuo po ng humigit kumulang na 300,000 kasama ang Dingdong Sir, buong Pilipinas, ng mga nagretiradong guro at hindi guro, teaching and non-teaching personnel in the Philippines ay nakikiisa sa Actor.ph sa pag-nominate sa ating pong pinakamamahal Miss Vilma Santos Recto para po sa National Artist in the field of film and broadcast. We all understand that this is pursuant to a presidential proclamation na kung saan ang ating Pangulo ng Pilipinas ay pwede nang magkawad ng ganitong uri ng karangalan sa isang individual aktor o actress o miyembro ng industriya na ito na nagbigay ng significant contribution in the field of film and broadcast. Kami po sa Mare-Pare, maybe I just would like to share why we are here, why we are joining Mr. Dingdong Dantes and all the rest of the organizations in nominating Ms. Vilma Santos Recto for this recognition is because as an organization, so we are advocating for the general welfare of our retiring, and generally the education sector. Kami po sa education sector, kinikilala po namin ang mahalagang papel na pwede pong gampanan ng pelikula, pati po ng stage play at iba pang uri ng pag-representa ng pelikula o kung ano man po sa pelikula man o sa entablado bilang pamamaraan po ng pagturo sa ating mga anak. We believe that film can be a very effective tool in engaging students, conveying complex ideas and concepts, and facilitate the exchange of meaningful experiences by presenting information in a visually appealing and emotionally resonant way. So, tanggap po namin na ito'y isang mahalagang pamamaraan, Sir Dingo, para maturuan at matuto ang mga bata. Tandang-tanda ko pa po, Sir Ma'am, nung ako po'y nasa elementarya pa lamang at kami po'y pinagawa. Si Sir Ambit natatawa, hindi makapaniwala na ganoon pa daw po ako kabata.
Ako nagkatubili na firmahan kagad, i-endorse yung resolution. Kasi po, una, malapit sa puso ko yung mga aktor, mga actresses, mas lalo na sa entablado. Dahil nung nasa UP tayo, kasama tayo sa teatro. Sa katunayan nga, ang isang pinsan ko, baka alam nyo, si Ruby Ruiz, first cousin ko yan, sinusuportahan talaga natin. At ang paniniwala ko talaga na ang mga nasa industriya, whether theater, film, or broadcast yan, importante yan para i-communicate ang Filipino values. Pwedeng gamitin natin yan at matulungan ang mga paaralan natin i-communicate yung Filipino values, yung kultura natin. Kasi nakakalungkot na yung ibang mga values natin nawawala. And I believe that film industry and theater will be able to push that. Okay. At siguro, panghuli na lang, yung kaya rin sinusuportahan ko personal capacity as well as being a member of the Malipate. Nakatrabaho namin nung nasa kagawaran kami ng edukasyon. I've served the department incidentally for 32 years now. So, lahat yan na nasubukan na natin at makipag-usap rin doon sa Kongreso para sa budget natin. Nakita namin yung puso, yung commitment ni Congressman Birma at the time. Even when she was a mayor, sinuportahan na talaga niya yung ating mga paaralan. Kaya, ulit, nung binanggit sa akin na ang aming grupo susuportahan yung nomination ni Birma, hindi ako nagkatubili. Kahapon niya talaga yun, tinawagan ako. Sige lang, nasa Naga ako nun kasi meron akong ginagawa doon. So, yun po, kami ay fully in support of this nomination. Sana po yung iba pang mga artists, and sana yung actor, yung League of Filipino Actors with our group can collaborate to help and assist and support the programs of the education sector. Maraming salamat po.
Months, maybe years, kakailanganin yun to really present Ms. Vilma Santos as national artist. So, I'm sure it will be worth it. Kaya mag-aantay na lang po tayong lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Vic.